Hey, what's up, guys? And before we get into the video, just uh, check this out. I went Buzz. Yeah, that's how it is. But I'll tell you the reasoning. So mainly, because it's maintenance, having some sort of hair. You have to think about it when you wake up, shower, leave the house. Now it's going to be the same. When you wake up, leave the house, the same. And it buys me 10 minutes of my morning back as well. So it's mainly it. And like, especially when I have to get onto the charts by 8 a.m. every day, I can get that 10 minutes back. It will help me a lot. Anyway, moving on into the video. So, what should you put on your trading journal, really? Well, I'll walk you through what I put in mine. And I actually did this over the weekend, modified my template a little bit. But if we go look here, um, first column, we got day. And, it's important. It's Monday through Friday. Because when you take trades, you may see a pattern on whether it's the beginning of the week, end of the week, every Monday, every Tuesday, depends, right? So we've got that there. Secondly, we've got date. And the only reason I have date is because if I want to go relive the trade back on TradingView charts, I can know exactly what to scroll to. Next to time open, time close. The most important one was time open, close not so much, but open is especially important because I want to know if there's a pattern or when my trade does develop, right? So then I can be there. Session, New York, London. I don't have Tokyo because I don't trade Tokyo. I don't even trade New York, but it's just in the off chance I ever do, right? Because it's not that bad. Pair. These are the three pairs I trade in a minute. Well, I could add all the others, but if I do, there's no point because it's outside my trading plan and it's breaking my trading plan really if I trade any other pair than those three. Sorry, but we got position, we got long and short, basic stuff. And next one, we've got entry model. Now, it depends on your strategy, right? Because I mean, I have basic and break and retest, right? I don't really know how to describe basic technically, but everyone knows to break and retest, when it breaks and it comes back down and whatever. But like for your strategy, you might have different entry models like a pullback or a breakout or whatever it is. Me, I got the basic and the break and retest. Now I got the lot size. Standard stuff, really, exactly how much you're trading. And then we got these four: entry, take profit, stop loss, and exit, right? These are all prices that you need to know. And let me tell you, it doesn't matter if you're a beginner or a professional trader, every single trade journal has these four things. It is like basically the most vital part of the trade journal. So, you know exactly where you entered, where you exited, etc., etc. The next one after that is exit of reason. Now, I put, well, mainly it's going to be two for me: the limit order. And what I mean by limit order, I mean is take profit, stop loss, right? Then we have the end of session, right? When like the time passes through my trading window, I close the trade, right? I got manual, but manual's probably not going to be used that much. It's going to be rare. But it's just if I exit because, like, some sort of weird thing happens in the markets, which I doubt will happen. But yeah, we got the limit order, which is take profit, stop loss, and then the session. Win loss, pretty standard. Is it a win, loss, or is it a break even? I've got drop down boxes in my Google spreadsheets, which is, quite handy actually. We got, well, people like to measure their trade progress either using pips, the monetary value like the British pound, or percentages. Me, I've done all three because I want to get a good grasp of everything that's happening, and I've done it with a formula. So, like, let's say I make 10 quid, that is 0.25% gain on the account, right? That's pretty standard, And then we got a screenshot thing where you know you just put a link of your TradingView charts and then just smack it in there, so then I can click it and look at what the chart looked like, look at the environment, etc., etc. Is really handy. It will also help with your pattern recognition subconsciously, right? And the next we've got notes, and notes is important. It's really everything I put in the notes is like to do with my psychology, and then essentially like what's happening in the market. Like, did price like hit a zone that I wasn't aware of? That's why it reversed on me at this point. Whatever, like just stuff like that. That's why I put in the notes. And to be fair, I think this trade journal is pretty detailed. I cannot lie. I think it does have everything you need. Like, at least some people will have a bit more information, and quite a lot of people have less. I think this is information I need to know. Like, I mean, most people don't really need to know entry model. Like, if they only have one entry model, you don't need to put that in a trading journal. Stuff like that, as well as sessions. Some people are swing traders. You don't need to put it's whatever session you're trading, right? But yeah. And then is one thing I've added. I swear I've got data, right? So I've got the total trades, total win, loss, whatever. Like, it's also a formula, so it will tell me exactly everything I need to know. Like, it will automatically update when I put through my data and my trade journal. So then it will tell me my overall profit and loss, and percentage wise as well. Total pips captured, gain, loss, whatever. And then we got the total wins, loss, break even. And here we got average win, average loss, average risk reward ratio. That's important. We've got win rate. That's good. And we got break even rate, which is also important, I believe. So what I mean by break even rate, let me just explain this. It's going to take the average risk to reward ratio, right, into effect, where it will calculate. Okay, this is your R to R. What sort of strike rate do you need to hit break even? So if you get like a risk to reward ratio of 2, right, you only need a 33.3% break even rate. No, win rate to hit break even, right? And then that's when like you can know like what sort of strike rate you kind of need to be at. And then here next to it is the actual win rate that you are currently. So, etc., etc. Like, if I had a average risk to reward of 1, then the break even rate would be 50%, right? Stuff like that. Um, if I had a average win to reward ratio of like 3, I think the break even rate would be 20%. I'm not too sure on math. However, the formula will tell me exactly what it is. So then, it will be done automatically by inputting data like that. For example, look, £12 total win, 12 right here. Perfect, right? But yeah, it should be fine. But that's the sort of thing I need to know, and that's why I put in my trade journal, guys. So let me know if you have anything different. But yeah, this is the new template I'm going to start running from essentially today. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you find any usefulness, just let me know. All right, peace, guys.